So over here you can see that I have an audio clip right here, and if I were to go around and press the play button, hello, this is a test. This is an audio clip right here with a bit of noise, as you can hear. So if you want to go around and reduce out the noise, then what you simply need to do is click on this audio right here, and you get the audio settings over here on the top right hand side. Then you can see that noise reduction is an option over here, and once you go around and click, then it says the noise is reduced. So it detected out the noise right here, and this is the final result. Hello, this is a test recording audio. It's not perfect, but it detected out some of the noise and then reduced it from the final audio right here. So you can go around, and if you were to disable it again, you hear more of the noise right here. But if I were to go around and then click on, let's say, noise reduction, then it is much more lower in volume, as you can hear. And that is how you can work around with the audio noise reduction option inside of CapCut desktop editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.